Welcome to QuickGuides. Today you'll learn how to use Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa to set quick reminders, give instant voice commands, and make your days smoother with almost no effort. Use your assistant to capture things before you forget. Just say the command naturally, whether it's a quick timer, a shopping item, or tomorrow's meeting. Your assistant remembers so you don't have to. Voice assistants help you skip manual tasks. Ask for your schedule, send a message, or call someone, completely hands-free and much faster than tapping through menus. If you have smart home devices, assistants make everything effortless. Lights, music, temperature, it all responds to your voice instantly. Need quick info? Ask your assistant anything: weather, traffic time, definitions, facts, or directions. It's the fastest way to get answers without searching manually. Take your assistant further. Set recurring reminders, trigger multi-step routines with one phrase, and store quick notes to review later. Small hacks, big time savings. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel QuickGuides to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.